Morning students. In your regular math, this textbook, only one chapter, this last one chapter you see in your textbook, page number 87, 16 chapter pattern. See here geometric pattern means same pictures as here. Study the design shown below. Observe the patterns of the geometric shapes. Here geometric shapes here. Circle. See this circle, semicircle, curved, triangle, squares. And by using these geometrical shapes here, prepare a design. You see this pattern of these geometric shapes. See this here, half circle, then circle, 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 then here last. Then you see here half triangle, then curved, then triangle, curved, triangle, curved, triangle, curved, triangle, curved, again here half triangle. You see this pattern. Then see this exercise, complete these patterns given below. Here square, 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 you complete this, take a equal distance here, below also here squares, and in middle you draw this figure. In homework you complete this pattern, you see this pattern and as you draw here. Then second one also see this, here triangles, in middle square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, here also triangles, this also pattern, you complete this. Then next one, see this, study this pattern below made from freehand shapes. Here pattern of these freehand shapes. Then next one exercise, make a pattern by placing any geometric shapes one in front of the other. You make a pattern here by placing these geometric shapes. With geometric shape, take any this rectangle, square, circle, triangle, and by using these geometric shapes you make a pattern. Then second question, see, make a pattern using different freehand shapes. In this of these freehand shapes, by using this, and you make a different types of this pattern. In this type of pattern, suppose here in this type of this, again you draw here, again freehand you draw here, and in this type of this pattern you draw here. Then third one, see, complete this pattern given below. You see this first pattern, then here second different, again first pattern here second, again first, then here you draw this second pattern here and first pattern again here. By using this you complete this pattern by using this design. And fourth one question, identify the geometric shapes in the pattern above and using them create your own design. Identify the geometric shapes in the pattern above. Here pattern is given above. Then this pattern you see these geometric shapes. With geometric shapes here, triangle, circle, square. By using these geometric shapes you create your own design. Then below you draw your own design in this type of this. Here only activities is given in this chapter pattern. Then in homework you complete this exercise, page number 87. Then next one, see in your textbook, page number 88. Patterns in multiplication table. Here numbers of these patterns you see here. Look at this 9 times table. Note the sequence of numbers in the unit place of the table. And what pattern do you see? Now note the sequence of numbers in the 10 places of the table and find the pattern in it. Here see, here 9 table is given. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 9 10 is 90. And you see here, unit place of this number, see here 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 means less 1 numbers. And you see here 10 place of this number, increasing of this 1 number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then below you write this pattern. Then see this exercise, look at the 5 times table and find the pattern in the digit in the unit place of this table. Is there a pattern in the 10th digit in this table? You see this here, 5 table is given and you see these unit places of this table, unit places 0, 5, again 0, 5, 0, 5, this pattern 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 and 10 places of this 5, 1, 1, 2, again 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 times, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7 in this type of pattern in 5 table. Then second one, see, write the 10 times table, look at the digits in the unit place of this table and what is the pattern here. You write here 10 times table and what is the pattern in this 10 times table, then you write here. Then next one, look at the 2 times table. 2 into 15 is equal to 30 means 2 times table you write here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 up to 2 into 15 is equal to 30 and you see here these unit places and digit places how this pattern is. Then fourth one question, see here, complete the multiplications given below, find a pattern in the products. See here multiplication is given here 6 into 10 60. Then you multiply here 6 into 100, 600. See here increasing only 110. Then 6 into 1000, 6000, 6 into 10,000. Then 60,000. In this type of this pattern, you see this pattern here increasing 110. Then again same time of this 7. 7 into 10 is equal to 7. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. 7 into 1000 means here 7000 and 7 into 10,000 means here 70,000. See this also pattern here increasing only here 70. Increasing only 110. Then here your pattern, this chapter completed. In homework you complete this page number 87 and 88. Okay.